up? What's up? What's up? You already know this is Peach and it's raining. But if you like peaches, why is you in the rain and you not raining with an umbrella? I'm just leaving Adventure Island with the kiddos, so I don't feel like it's necessary to run. I'm already wet. I'm going into Sam's Club. We're gonna get us some chicken that's already done because we don't feel like cooking, and we're also gonna get us probably the microwave mashed potatoes because Daddy like them, and some Capri Suns because we ain't got none. And what else we need? I don't know. Whew, it's getting cold. It's crazy. I think this is why the women in Florida are so bipolar. It's because our weather is bipolar. It was 94 degrees when we went to Adventure Island, baby. It's 64 degrees right now. Hey, that's nuts. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me get my card. I just need to be shamed, but I've been wearing gorgeous masks. Okay. I love this little mask. I need to buy me one. I bought these from 7-Eleven. I really like them. All right, Peach Patch. I'm not going to do a real shopping haul because I just came in here really quick. But I am going to get the kids these Cheez-Its. It's 45 in this pouch for $10.98. My kids went to Daddy's mommy's house and they got some Cheez-Its. And ever since then, they've been wanting them. So I'm going to get them those. I want me some Lay's chips with salt and vinegar chips too. But like I said, this is supposed to be quick trip. Me and Daddy already talked about what I'm supposed to buy. I am only, look at the line, Lord Jesus, why my scan and go don't work. I'm only supposed to get some 3 chickens, 3 whole chickens. I was like, we could get 2 or 3, but I feel like I could eat a whole one by myself. I'm so hungry. Going to the pool make you so hungry. Oh, now they got pools in here. That's the same pool that's in Walmart. I think Walmart, they cost more money. 10 feet long, and it's only $29.98. I wonder, should I buy that? Because we having a family day tomorrow. They got trampolines in here, guys. $239.99. We're going to stay home tomorrow. Daddy going to barbecue some turkey wings and all that stuff. And we're going to be home for the whole day. I need to get Gorgeous something like that. She keep asking me to buy her a kitchen. But we just supposed to get 3 chicken wings, some Capri Suns, some microwave mashed potatoes, and some water. That's it. And we already picked up Cheez-Its that we didn't need. Lord. Peach Patch, what y'all think about this clock? It's a pretty big clock. Really big. It's a 30-inch wall clock. It's $19.98. They got them in black and in silver. I wonder, should I buy one? Let me stay focused. I don't need that. So you don't need it. Get what you came from. We don't need it. Lordy. So we're gonna get some of this chicken. They ain't really got that many left. When is it Best Buy? Because they're getting ready to close. Time process at 4:37. Lord, it's some old chicken. Like 2 hours old. Time process 4:37. It is currently 6:57. They close at 8 o'clock. It don't look like he cooking no more chicken, like he actually washing out the stove. But I'm going to get 3 of these because I am not cooking. I refuse to cook tonight. I want the little burnt looking ones because I like my chicken well done. One time. Yeah, well done chicken. We don't eat pink meat. And me knowing Daddy gonna throw this in the oven anyway. I wish I get a slab of ribs so I'm in here. I'm going to the meat store in the morning to get Daddy turkey wings. I could get this and season this up tonight with some mojo. I ain't bought mojo in so long. I'm gonna get this too. Look at me getting stuff I don't need. This supposed to be a quick trip. The kids in the car cold, ready to go home. I should have came here by myself, but I was like, babe, I'm gonna be super duper fast. I already know what I want. I'm only gonna get 3 things. Look at me. Already getting things that ain't on the list. All right, Peach Patch. So it's some kind of microwavable mashed potatoes that be in this section that Daddy be buying when he don't feel like cooking. I kind of feel like maybe I shouldn't worry about it. All right, Peach Patch. So these are the mashed potatoes Daddy like to get. This is Daddy's little go-to meal when he don't want to cook. He gets some of this. All I gotta do is make him a gravy, and then that's that. We don't have any more bottled water. Like I said, I'm trying not to do a real grocery shopping trip. I'm supposed to be fast, but I'm just gonna get one of these because we need one for the car. Everybody get in the car and be like, I'm thirsty. Daddy like, keep water in the trunk. So that's what we're gonna do. Peach Patch. I wish I had it in me to buy these healthy plates. $250, but they cost too much. But we need Capri Suns now. I ain't never know they sold stuff like this in here. It's probably too high anyways. Cutting board, $8.77. Knives, Oh, they got big pots. I ain't never seen this stuff before. I'm sure it's, oh, I did buy this out of here. Daddy had came and got me these. One of the peaches was like, Peach, you need to get the aluminum pans from Sam's instead of the Dollar Tree. And that was so smart. You get 18 for $10.78. So stop going to the dollar store. Y'all know I love the Dollar Tree. But stop going to the dollar store for your pans. Come to Sam's, 18 for $10.78. He got me those. And he got me these. 36 for $7.98. 36 of these. And I still got some. He bought them like 2 months ago. He came on his own. He did not vlog. Daddy do not vlog shopping. That's who originally was supposed to come in here was Daddy. I was like, just make a quick little vlog. And he was like, I'm not doing that. He don't feel comfortable. He's not as comfortable doing this job as me. He's a very shy person. They finally got regular Capri Suns. Yes, finally. No roaring waters. These are $6.98. I'm just gonna get the kids one pack. Like I said, this is not a regular monthly grocery haul, okay? I'm trying to hold out to see if I get these pandemic food stamps, but if not, baby, we'll do a grocery haul probably Monday. Because, baby, we need some groceries. We need some groceries. I mean, I got, like, macaroni and meat and all that, but little things, like, I had made fried shrimp, and I ain't had no cocktail sauce. I don't be playing like that. I be wanting my condiments. I like my house nicely stocked with condiments. I'm going to get some bread, too, while I'm in here. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me find some bread. Let's find some bread. We're going to get this. This Wonder Bread. I love Wonder Bread. It's so good. Ever since one of them hurricanes was coming, they was bringing Wonder Bread fresh in the store, and you could smell it. It has been my favorite, but I don't like how that one look. That one look a little crusty. You know, like it got a little crusty draws. That one look like that too. Why the bread looking all crusty? Peaches is not that deep. I don't know why that's bothering me. All right, this one don't look crusty. $3.48 for 2 name brand breads. That's not too bad. I don't think that's too bad of a deal. Let me see how much they hot dog buns, because Daddy gonna be throwing hot dogs on the grill tomorrow. I cannot wait. After my class, he gonna barbecue, and we gonna stay home all day. We never barbecue hamburgers. I want to show we do that. Make some homemade hamburgers. Sarah Lee. That can't sound expensive to me. All right, these hot dog buns is $2.98 for 16 count, but you get 8 for 88 cents at Walmart. So I'm just gonna wait and go to Walmart. It won't trick me, Sam's Club. I don't know why they be trying to trick people, and they the same company. Like, that's crazy. 8 times 2 is 16, so 88 cents times 2 is, yep, I'm gonna save some money. 2 going to 8, 16 times 6 carry the 1, 16, bring down the 117, $1.76. Yep, I'm gonna go to Walmart and save me some money. Now let me see if they got some mojo so I could soak these ribs in some mojo. That's gonna make them extra good. I'm sure it probably on the seasoning aisle, the next aisle. Let's just walk this way. Walk this way. Talk this way. Yep. On the seasoning aisle. Oh, it's right here. This is mojo. I like to make baked mojo chicken. I like to put mojo on my ribs. I haven't done that in a while. My mama them always do it. It's BABYDADDIES. All right, it's $4.98. We just need one. And that's all we gonna get. We ain't go crazy. We ain't go too crazy. Something light and cute. Let's see what our total is, though. Them ribs got me like, ooh. I'm gonna have to go ahead and opt for self-checkout. I hate going to self-checkout, but sometimes this other stuff be too crowded. Now, I'm not finna change buggies. I'm gonna just scan everything in here, and then I'm not gonna do that. Take nothing out. Let's see what our total is. The first thing we gotta do is scan our membership card. Come on. It's scanned. All right, welcome Peaches. My real name is Peaches, not Peach, for those of you who didn't know. Somebody was like, Peaches, and they apologized. It was like, I'm so sorry for calling you Peaches. Oh my God, I gotta get these voodoo chips. Look at these voodoo chips. Daddy love these. This is his favorite chips. I got to buy them. They $3.98. Just caught my eye. Feel like they just put voodoo on me because I was doing good. But my real name is Peaches, for those of you who don't know. Let's scan in this stuff. I'm gonna stop recording. I'll just show y'all my total because I'm in a rush. Peach Patch. I'm low-key proud of myself. All this stuff only cost me $80.60. Let's go ahead and pay for it. I pay for it. I pay for it. What I gotta wait for? They say please wait. 86. Go ahead and insert our debit card. Remember, I don't get food stamps no more. I ain't gonna lie, food stamp life is lit though. I use my EBT as my black card. You just throw it in the buggy. Approved. We got 11 items for $80.60. I need to play 80-60 because even when I've been editing videos lately, I've been having to put them in 80-60. Yeah, I think that's like, y'all play that. Play 80-60 if you can, or 86-60. I don't think Lotto go up to that
Always.
much. When you come to Sam's Club, do not put your receipt away because they're going to scan you at the door. Make sure you ain't trying to steal. Make sure you ain't trying to steal. Keep your receipt up in your hands because they're going to scan your shit at Sam's Club. Yeah, they're going to scan you down, baby. Every single time. All right, thank you. They scan a couple items. They like, boom, boom, boom. These on the receipt. She ain't stealing. She ain't stealing today. I hope y'all all enjoyed this shopping trip. I know it was quick and simple. We have quick and simple shopping days, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you cook for your kids when you really don't feel like cooking, or would you have just went to like KFC or Popeyes. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit up like you like. Hey, hit up like you like. Hit up like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching.
Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Like. Follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this song. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.